Hi guys, today I'm working on this Chevy Express 2500 van and I'll be changing the front brake pads and rotor. So let's get started. Alright, so first I jack the van up and remove the front wheel. Next I remove the two caliper bolts, pull the caliper off, and tie it up out of the way. I then turn the steering wheel to the right for better access to the caliper bracket bolts. I remove both bolts and tap the brake pads to break the bracket and the pads free. I knock the pads out of the bracket and set it aside. Then I pry off the thin washers that help hold the rotor on. With those out of the way, I work on removing the rotor by hitting the backside with a small sledgehammer. The rotor comes out a little ways but gets hung up from all the rust. So then I dig out a bigger sledgehammer and really beat on the rotor. It really took a while, but eventually I got the rotor off. This was one of the toughest rotors I've ever removed. I now clean the hub up with a wire brush, install the new rotor, then clean the braking surface with brake cleaner. Next I clean the caliper bracket up with the wire brush. The anti-rattle clips go in next and get a touch of silicone grease. The first brake pad can slide in slightly diagonally, then I pull it straight. Then I do the same with the second pad. With the pads installed, I can now bolt the caliper bracket back in place. I torque the bracket bolts to 221 foot-pounds. Now using a wind back tool, I push the caliper pistons all the way back to clear the new brake pads. I apply a thin coat of silicone grease to the backside of the pads, then slide the caliper down into place. Next I pull the caliper slide pins out, and one by one I clean them up and apply some fresh grease before reinstalling them. This step is very important to ensure the pads can contact the disc evenly and retract properly when the pedal is released. Now I can reinstall the caliper bolts and torque them down to 79 foot-pounds. Next I put the wheel back on and we're done. This video is brought to you by Parts Matrix. PartsMatrix.com is my go-to source for aftermarket parts and accessories. Don't forget to use coupon code NHBH to save on your order. Well, other than the rotor being a little tough to get off, that was a pretty straightforward job. On that note, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.